May the 4th, 2015, from the Bell Center in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It was WWE Raw, and we had Ryback in the ring cutting a promo on Bray Wyatt. Bray Wyatt had attacked him last week on Raw, and so he was talking about their match coming up at Payback. And the fans in Montreal were giving Ryback a hard time, as they are sometimes known to do up north. And so they were chanting, Goldberg, Goldberg. But you know what? To Ryback's credit, he acknowledged it, and he turned the fans around and got them to chant, Feed Me More. Which is not an easy thing to do, especially in what was somewhat hostile, the environment at the moment, as they're, razzing him there. And then he just turned him right around. He's like, all right. He's like, love you guys too. And then he was like, you know what? You acknowledge it, then it's like if you ignore it, it won't go away. But if you acknowledge it, then people are like, all right, you acknowledged us. And so then he got them chanting, Feed Me More. And everybody's, Feed Me More. And everybody was on his page. So that was pretty cool. And then they actually gave him the respect to listen to his promo. And Ryback, on the mic, he's not a Bray Wyatt. Bray Wyatt is one of the greatest of all time on the mic. But Ryback is definitely coming into his own. He's growing leaps and bounds every time they give him a chance to talk on the microphone. Like I had said before, when he got a chance to do the promo that he did following his, appearance on Jericho's podcast, that was a big moment for Ryback, and I think a lot of people really started to get behind him at that time once they actually got to hear him talk and listen to his character, find out more about him than just the big muscles and the Feed Me More, but actually kind of get somewhat of an understanding for who is Ryback. And so I think it's good when they let him get on the mic, and I think he does a pretty good job. Of course, I'm not expecting him to be, like I said, to the level of like a Bray Wyatt or, some of the other top guys like, say, Cena or somebody like that, or even, like Randy Orton or Seth Rollins, who's been killing it on the mic. But I thought Ryback did a really good job. Like I said, he's growing. He's getting better and better on the mic. And, he's a beast in the ring. But I thought it was pretty good. Like I said, I thought it was very impressive the way he was able to turn the crowd around when they were razzing him and everything. So, they're heckling him and all that. So I thought that was pretty cool. And, of course, Bray Wyatt interrupted him, and the fans, man, everybody was all for Bray Wyatt. I'll tell you, the lights went out and it lit up, the fireflies, all the souls. It's pretty cool. It's Bray Wyatt. I mean, he's the man. Like, he's so good. It's just, words can't describe how incredible Bray Wyatt is on the microphone, cutting a promo. Plus his ring work, is excellent as well. I'm definitely really excited for Payback to see Ryback versus Bray Wyatt. This is the match of the century. I'll tell you what, this is 10 times better. Make that 100 times better. No, 1,000 times better. No, 1,000,000 times better than Mayweather Pacquiao. But anyway, hell, I'd rather watch Brooklyn Brawler versus Barry Horowitz than Mayweather versus Pacquiao again. But anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. And then Bray Wyatt, with his promo, in response to Ryback. Ryback was there in the ring. Bray Wyatt's just going at him, talking about he's a scared little boy underneath and everything, even though he looks like a big guy. And, how he's gonna, make everything he loves fade away. And I was talking about this last week when he attacked him. If you want to go check back on that one, I was saying about how Ryback, and Bray Wyatt with their feud, and Bray Wyatt overall, it's not necessarily about wins and losses for Bray Wyatt. What he does is he takes other superstars and brings them to his level. He makes them bring it up a notch, and he's showing them who they really are. You know what I mean? And like I said, everybody, once they go against Bray Wyatt, even is showing us Bray Wyatt is, right? He got his experience, and he's at the top of his game. And afterwards, even guys who've been around for a long time, once they feud with Bray Wyatt, they come out all the stronger, all the better, because he takes them places that they wouldn't have went otherwise in a feud with some other wrestler, So it's like Bray Wyatt, man, it's like when you go in the ring with him, you're dancing with greatness, and in a good way, not fucking in the whack dancing way of freaking, boxing, dancing. But anyway, not to get onto that. I thought this was pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely interested to read your thoughts and opinions. I'm excited for it. And like I said, I think both of them were doing pretty good in their promos. Like I said, obviously Bray Wyatt is the man. He's the best on the mic. But I thought Ryback was holding his own in his promos and in his work heading into this match. Obviously, like I said, it's impossible for him to match Bray Wyatt. But for who he is, I think he does a good job. You know what I mean? And I think that by being in this feud with Bray Wyatt, it is bringing something out of Ryback that's going to make him, better on the other end. So that's what I think anyway. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Definitely interested to read your thoughts and opinions. Thank you very much for listening. It is appreciated.